Today, I want to talk about something that most homeowners have never seen and usually never think about. But it's one of the most important parts of your entire roof. Let's dive right into everything you need to know about roof underlayment. Not all underlayment is the same. Now, there are a few different types, and they each have their place. The old school option is felt paper. It's been around forever and gets the job done, but most of us have moved on to better materials. These days, we use synthetic underlayment. It's lighter, more durable, and holds up against water and tearing a lot better. Then, for the spots that really take a beating, like your valleys, your eaves, and anywhere ice or water tend to sit, we use what's called ice and water shield. It adheres directly to the roof deck and creates a tight seal. In Central PA and Michiana winters, this stuff is well worth it. So when we talk about things like synthetic underlayment, this is an example of one of the styles that we use from Owens Corning. It's gonna have a water-resistant backing with a textured surface. This allows for safe walking on your roof while also creating a water-resistant layer underneath your shingles. This will go on top of your roof deck, and then the shingles will go on top of this. And this helps prevent any small amounts of moisture from actually penetrating to that roof deck, allowing for it to be dry and protected for the duration of your roof. Now, when we talk about your high-risk areas, we are going to be using ice and water shield. Now, this is a rubberized underlayment that is a peel and stick style that in the sun does not take very long, but it will adhere to your roof deck, and it will also waterproof the nails that penetrate through it. As this adheres to your roof deck, this will allow for a more waterproof surface underneath your shingles. Again, both are going to serve a very similar purpose, but different applications. In the Central PA and Michiana regions, ice and water shield by code is required for 2 feet covering an interior heated space. On average, you need 2 rows or 6 feet of coverage to meet that requirement. The rest of your roof will get covered with the synthetic underlayment, and that will ensure that your entire deck underneath your shingles is protected by some form of protective barrier other than just your shingles. A solid roof isn't just shingles, it's everything underneath them working together. If you want to learn more about what happens during a roof quote, check out our video right here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for a free inspection or even just a conversation. Next stop, a better roof.